This is Vidushi.
This is Nagaraju PV and I'm one Byjuite year old.
I'm Priyanka Bajaj.
Hi, I am Jyoti.
Hi, I'm Tarana Thakurdas.
I'm Kaustubh Khade and I'm 2
Byjuite years old.
My name is Atit Mehta and I am 3 Byjuite years old.
Hi, I'm Ritichit.
I'm Aniket Sharma.
Hi, I'm Pranali and I'm 5 Byjuite years old.
Hi, this is Rajamani Venkatesh.
I'm Hitesh.
Hi, I'm Nishant and I'm
6 Byjuite years old.
Hi, I'm Venkatesh and I am 7 Byjuite years old.
Hi everyone, I am Jayanta.
My name is Adi Singh Chadda and I'm 9 Byjuite years old.
9 years, 9 Byjuites and 9 unheard stories of what it takes to reimagine the future. It's story time.
I see Baiju sitting in the restaurant. I walk up to him and sensing that something is getting cooked, a big conversation is about to happen. In about a minute or so, some people came and joined us, and there was about the Indian cricket team jersey sponsorship. 15-20 minutes, the deal was closed, and in a gist, we entered the BCCI office. It was a moment of pride, a moment of credibility, a moment of joyness.
Sir ensures that every single milestone is celebrated. So when we had hit our milestone, we got to know that we are going to Barcelona. Of course, it's an aspirational thing, right? Just taking inspiration from that, I thought, that let my team also feel special when they are hitting milestones.
In Chennai, we had a similar story when Rajini's movie released this Pongal. Being in 25 years, sir, getting a first week ticket is tough. So you're saying entire office is gonna go. It was on the last year for sales cycle, and we were worried that this will have an impact on our sales numbers. But when I went and told Adi sir about this, he was like, "You get your numbers sorted, reach your targets, and I'll ensure the entire office is going for the first day first show."
Yeah, I do remember the day the lockdown was announced suddenly. I had no idea how we would be handling the next day's schedule, as it was already out for our customers, and what we had to inform our team so that the work could go on.
So short-term and long-term decisions were made overnight so that the customers were not impacted the next day. And at the same time, we had to ensure that we are able to scale the business to an extent that was planned before. And in case if the lockdown extended, which in fact it did happen.
When I joined, Byju's name was coming in the newspapers. When it came in magazines, most of our employees was rushing to collect that magazines. They wanted to keep in their safe custody.
I would totally steal a magazine if I would have been there. When I joined Byju's, the story was a little different. Everybody knew about Byju's. In fact, some of my friends actually came and asked me, when are we meeting Shah Rukh Khan?
I should definitely speak about this video, Pythagoras. I was there watching this particular production, peeping from the security window. I was so excited. That was the first video of Baiju sir, and it was the Pythagoras video, which was edited by me. This is featured in most of our ads. That's a moment which I can never forget.
Core part of what we do here at Byju's in product team is to have conversations with children. So I was working with this child, and she took the prototype, and the first few interactions were great. She loved it. I go like, "How was she teaching you?" And then she replies, she was talking to me like she was talking to a child, right? Which is super interesting because she's just like a 9-year-old who does not want to be taught like she's a 9-year-old. Setting up a lot of these processes where we're actually learning from the kids is very crucial. It ties back to our core philosophy here at Byju's to never stop learning.
I really believe that learning never stops, because even as part of the organization, as teachers, we're constantly learning. And I remember a time 10 months back when I was on a holiday in Goa. I get a call from the organization saying that we've got this new project coming up, so can you come to Bangalore? And I was more than happy to come in, and I came in here. It was supposed to be just a week of being in Bangalore, but it turned out to be 10 months with this new project. Through the pandemic, through such a difficult time also, we have learned.
The story of Jax and Jane and how they come to be is something that is very close to my heart. I wrote a short story about 2 siblings who go on adventures and then use math to solve their problems. These 2 siblings were then called Sam and Sally. Months later, we decided that we want to sort of rebrand them or rename them, and finally decided to go with Jax and Jane Weiss. They're here to stay. They've become the face of K3, and I'm really hopeful, and I'm sure kids really associate with them.
So as Pranali said, Jackson Jain are here to stay. It's definitely a huge achievement for us at Byju's because we've created our own IP. And along with this, not just the ideation part, the execution part of it was such a mammoth task that we took head on and we actually accomplished it. We have like around 4,000 odd props, 300 to 350 all worlds or environments. In order to push it up another notch, we actually integrated these characters into the app. As though they can interact with you, talk to you.
E3 Disney Byju's packaging box, it started with being a packaging box, but it turned into a complete experience of its own, with so many ideas pulling in. Now the box is not just a box, but it is a pop-up game, it is a board game, it can be used as a toy storage box, and there's just so much more.
When we started this box to do the prototyping, we wanted to bring the child's mind to it, and we wanted to make as much as possible, making the colorful and organized way. We had to make 28 prototypes almost.
Everybody is allowed to be themselves and follow their passion with the same fervor that they've always wanted to, and not consider their job as a job. You are made to feel welcome enough. Can you give it your 100% wherever you are?
What we have seen in the first 9 years is just tip of the iceberg. The way the business plans and everything is getting shaped up. We are here for the long haul, and the next 9 years are going to define a lot of things for us, and all of us should be super proud that we are going to be part of this journey, and we are going to be part of the journey which is writing history.
Here's to more stories, newer milestones, and reimagining the future together.
Happy 9 years to us.